How to fix Shopee voucher error M02. Now, the very first thing that you should double check is just make sure that you're currently running the latest version of the Shopee app. Just head directly to your Google Play Store and then let's look for the Shopee application here. Now you should be able to know if you're using the latest version because update button is not going to be visible. But if the update button is visible, then you should tap it and it will automatically update by itself. Now let's go back into the main topic. Now on Shopee app, uh, the main reason causing this issue right here, which is M02, is you're currently using a different or a wrong voucher. Now just head to your homepage and then just tap on the Me tab right here, located at the lower right portion of your screen. And then if you tap on vouchers, you should be able to know the specific requirements for you to take advantage of the vouchers. So, for example, this one 20% off cap at 100 pesos. So, there is an actual minimum spend of 100 pesos for you to be able to use the voucher. Now you can also hover around these vouchers available for you. But if you tap or clicked on a use button right here, you will automatically be redirected to a certain shop in which that certain voucher is only available for these items right here. So again, you just have to make sure that you complied all the requirements needed for that specific voucher for you to be able to use it without any M02 problems. So that's it. That's how you fixed M02 voucher error on Shopee.